Alrighty, Josh, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description is combination. We've got a set of AFR castings. We did the CNC job on it so we could have the 2-inch, 3-inch bolt spread on it for your convenience. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Obviously got a blacked out Borla. It's got one of our front end kits on it. Make sure the alternator charges for you. Front sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see how she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, let's see here, 3,600, 468 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 547. Peaks horsepower 583. So we rated at 575. It's got a front end on it. That's the Borla running upstairs there. Runs really good. So we'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, you find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature. Also on the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number and some other specs. That engine number, if you need anything from us, is the easiest way for us to look you up, flip it over. It will also have this QR code, take you to some more tech stuff. So really recommend watch all this. It will definitely help your installation, and have a great day.